Hey Rachel, what are you eating?
You eating a pepper?
Are you eating a pepper?
Right out of the garden?
Good, isn't it? Good pepper. Just don't eat the seeds like Daddy said.
Go.
Are we going to go to the pumpkin patch tomorrow? Can you be a good girl tomorrow? No.
Have a bite. Thank you.
Good stuff.
Good stuff. Let's get them out of there right now.
Yeah, because she's pretty good about eating the seeds.
Hey, go. Eat it.
Say thank you. Rachel. Hey. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Rachel. Say thank you. Oh, you got your mouth all stuffed full of stuff. Okay.